What is up, guys? It's the weekend again, meaning it's Jeepra day. So from the previous video, you guys saw that I actually took out my Jeepra's gearbox. Gearbox seems to be fine, but I'm still actually changing it. So basically this weekend, which is today basically, the plan was to actually take out my Jeepra's engine. And now we're on the way to Elvin, and we're actually inside my friend's car. My friend's car is still with me. Need to do a few more stuff to it. So on the way to Elvin. We have arrived at Elvin. Elvin doing the silica. And now we're gonna take out, the first step is to take out the wiring. And some of the stuff is already taken out, the hose. And then the plan is to actually take out the wiring, the engine wiring, harness. All this socket comes out. Then after that, we're gonna take out the exhaust manifold, then the intake manifold out. Then after that, then we'll take out the engine. So right now, let's take out the harness out.
The next day.
My Jeep has moved location to the front. I've been busy with my V. Ta-da! Intake and exhaust header is already out. Elvin and ZZ the other day took out the remaining stuff for the engine to be out. So right now it's left for the engine mounting to be out, and then check it out. So let's check this engine out. We have taken out the engine. Steven welding. The 1J has been out. You can see the bracket that was where the engine sitting on. So now we are going to change the front sum. This is the front sum, because you can see it's at the front of the location of the car. Gonna change it to rear sum. Look at that, which is at the back like that. All this while I couldn't load my car because you can see the front sum before. It was hitting my this, I can't remember what it's called. So couldn't lower it because I had to increase it instead. Now that if it's using the rear sum, it's gonna land at the back here. So that means you can lower it down all the way. Yeah. This engine bay needs cleaning. And for the inside of Elvin's workshop, you can see, look, a new partition. Yes. That's why my AE is outside. You can see that they made like some sort of wall over here, so that we can actually make an office inside here. Look at that. So this area is gonna be air conditioned with the CCTV on and everything. Upgrade for the Elvin garage. Yes! It's still in a mess right now because we're still cleaning up and everything. Let me show you guys something interesting. Our audio system using my V player connected to speaker. What? Yeah, this is my 1J head that was coming from the Mercedes, or the one jerk I call it. That's the head. I'm gonna put it on hold first. It's for the future build. For now, let's focus on the Jeep. So right now, engine is already out. We drained the oil and and gonna change it to rear sump. Let's do that. So now we're gonna open the timing belt, because you can see the timing belt over here is cracked. Look at that, worn out. So I gotta change the timing belt, if not it's gonna break. So all these bolts have to come out. Dapat sini kan? Okay. Oh, may sakit lang ako. Yo, weh. Tepat. Oh, boleh tu.
Gila ya.
Okay.
Oli ni pakai. Tapi ni dia lah. Ya bukan oli pun pakai ni lah. Dia tu oli 3 tan ya. Wah, pun pakai ni lah. Ya duit ganda potong kita lebih kurang tu lah. Tapi pakai semua kita lah.
Oh, bagus.
Itu lah.
Yo, whatever that method was, it actually worked. Look at that, the bolt is already out. Okay, I actually took like a, what is that? Like a crank pulley, cam pulley, and he made it stuck here and just pry open from the front. But my bolt is destroyed, yo. Can buy new one, so it's okay. No problem. Oh, finally, the crank pulley can be taken out, and then take out the timing belt from there. But for now, that's all for today's video. A lot of work still, but enjoy the process. Like they say, Alvin them is actually arranging the workshop. So yeah, getting ready for the renovation. Tomorrow is another day. So hope you guys like the video. You guys know the deal, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.